चलो स्पीड डायग्राम frequency distribution speed data can be used to determine the speed at which diagonal percent of movement is called modulus speed. Represented by plotting the average speed of an interval against percent of vehicle of this movement. It is useful in identifying location congestion, the causes and in arriving at a suitable improvement method to reduce delay or increase the travel speed. These studies are also find to travel time before and after proposed improvement. Methods of quantitative sprint floating carbon license plate review elevated photography of the floating carbon as the position of data position of vehicle transfers in city streets throughout the day. In this method, the car tries to float in the traffic stream, passing as many vehicles as to pass the test. If the test vehicle overtakes as many vehicles as the test vehicle pass, the test vehicle should with small amount of round across the median speed of the traffic movement of the day. In such a test vehicle, the one vehicle acts as observer while other records duration of delays and actual elapsed of passing control point along the route of the start and finish. Q is the flow of vehicle volume per minute in one direction of piston. N is the average volume when the counting direction of piston when travels in opposite direction of piston. N is the overall technical by minus the direction vehicle overtaken when test is in direction of the stream Q. T is the average journey time when test vehicle is running against the stream. TW is the average journey time when test vehicle is in. So license plate method. In this method, synchronized stop watches or timers or voice recording equipment observers are stationed at the drum and exit of the testers from information travel is required. The time and vehicle numbers are noticed by the observer of the sample vehicle in this. The method does not give the details like cause, number, duration. This method may be used when a large number of materials is needed in minimum time and little space for field observation. The work can be completed in a short period of time by interviewing and collecting the required data from the road user to the spot. Elevator observer method of photographing. In this algorithm, it is sometimes possible to station observer in high building or other elevated points from which a considerable length of route may be observed. With the help of cameras and video observation are taken, these investigations better select vehicle at random and record time and location of cause of delay. The drawback is that it is sometimes difficult to secure suitable points of observation throughout the length of the route to be studied. Ordinarily, determine the information like duration of curve, selection of route, and length of route. These studies help in planning new highway and improving this method was roadside interview, license method, plate method, return postcard method, tag on car, home interview, work spot interview method. O and D are represented in the form desired line. Thickness of line represent number of trips, pie chart, dioptric and control line. It is the number of vehicle crossing a given point in unit time. It is measured in PCU per hour or vehicle per hour. It is the total number of vehicles occupying unit length of a road at a given time. It is expressed in vehicle per hour kilometer. Highest traffic density will occur when the vehicle are practically standing still on a given road or traffic flow is zero. देखो डेंसिटी क्या होता है व्हीकल पर किलोमीटर, स्पीड क्या होता है किलोमीटर पर आवर. देखो ये करेंगे तो यहाँ वैल्यू होगा. तो डेंसिटी में अगर आप देखो स्पीड को इंक्रीज है यहाँ स्पीड स्पीड ऑफ व्हीकल क्या है मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम टू क्यू है और ये हो गया. जब फिर देखो डेंसिटी है वो हो गया तो उनका व्हीकल की एफ ऑन केजी इनटू 4. ठीक है. Traffic headway between the vehicle per rear point of the successive point of Q is equal to 1 upon average time space the distance the rear bumper of the successive vehicle 1 upon ability of the road to accommodate traffic volume. Volume capacity have same unit, but capacity means maximum volume for a particular level of surface, whereas volume represents the actual level. Traffic capacity is categorized basic, possible, or practical. Basic मतलब क्या maximum number of vehicle that can pass a given point in a unit time under ideal road condition and traffic condition. It is also called theoretical capacity. Possible, it is capacity in the prevailing condition. Practical, since the possible capacity can vary between 0 and basic for design purpose. We adopt in value such as is not so high as to reasonable delay and restrictions. Such capacity for practical capacity design capacity. इससे C इक्वल टू 1000 V अपॉन S ये होगा इक्वल टू 0.7 V प्लस L हो गया मिनिमम हाइट प्लस हो गया. ठीक है. अब देखो प्राइवेट में 300 से जो टाइम फर्स्ट डिक्रीजेस देन इंक्रीजेस वेलोसिटी. लैम्प सर्विस देख लो capacity of qualitative measurement of flow whereas line service qualitative measurement. How good the present traffic conditions are and is defined for the measure of the three parameters speed and travel density और A B C D से E F तक होता है. ठीक है. ये मतलब कंप्लीट फ्री टू ड्राइवर हाई साइकोलॉजिकल कंफर्ट एवरेज स्पीड है 90% ऑफ फ्री और ये मतलब एवरेज स्पीड इज अबाउट 20% फ्री एंड स्पेस 100 मीटर. अब देखो स्पीड नियर फ्री मींस स्पीड एवरेज स्पेसिंग 60 एवरेज वेलोसिटी से 40% मींस और एवरेज स्पेसिंग मतलब 50 मीटर. ठीक है. E इक्वल टू ऑलमोस्ट नो यूजेबल गैप. अब ब्रेकडाउन जो इफ वन व्हीकल ब्रेक्स फॉर लार्ज क्यू ऑफ व्हीकल. ठीक है. अब देखो पार्किंग स्टडी Parking survey are intended to provide all these information since the duration of the parking varies with different vehicles and several statistics are used to assess the parking rate. A type protocol off-street parking and street parking. Accidental submersion or relation to study the cause of accident and suggest evaluation of protection to evaluate existing zones to computer financial include to support the proposed direction हो गया ये टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट वो हो जाएगा वेरियस रिकॉर्ड सबमिट लोकेशन मैप लोकेशन लोकेशन मैप स्पॉट मैप कंडीशन मैप कोलिजन डायग्राम ये चार हो गया अब अगला देखो traffic intersection enough had two or more than joint traffic passenger extra movement make various conflict due to traffic intersection are as follows crossing conflict merging coefficient diverging coefficient अब देखो various conflict between two crossing two lane two way crossing two way हो गया thoroughful हो गया various conflict two lane crossing three four thorough crossing conflict right crossing conflict ये हो गया ठीक है two lane two way road crossing अब thorough right crossing conflict right थ्रू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ये हो जाएगा ठीक है अब टू लेट अब देखो थोड़ा कुछ राइट विंग टू टोटल मेरे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट 16 अभी देखो थोड़ा क्लासिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट किया होगा राइट विंग 8 टोटल में जरूर 8 माइनर मतलब मर्जिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और डाइवर्जिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट टोटल 8 सो व्हीकल में कितना 16 प्लस 8 माइनस अब देखो थ्रू थोरो थोरो क्रॉसिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट 4 है वो और 8 ये टोटल 16 हो गया माइनर मतलब 8 मर्जिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और ये हो गया ठीक है टोटल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट 24 व्हीकलर 8 पेडेस्ट्रियल मतलब 32 ठीक अब व्हीकल टू लेन टू वे रोड प्रोसेस टू थोड़ा क्लासिक वो हो गया ठीक है अब इसमें कुछ खास नहीं वेरियस में टू लेन रोड टू वे प्रोसेस हो गई थोड़ा क्लासिक और वन राइट रूम ये हो गई थोरो क्रॉसिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ये हो गया तुमको राइट क्रॉस राइट थ्रू क्रॉसिंग और मेजर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ये हो रहेगा ठीक है ये हो गया अब थोरो क्रॉसिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट राइट क्रॉसिंग हो गया राइट थ्रू क्रॉसिंग हो गया मेजर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो गया माइनर और मेजर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो गया ठीक है ये हो गया अभी देख लो थोरो क्रॉसिंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट वन राइट टोटल व्हीकल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट 8 पेडेस्ट्रियल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट टोटल 11 व्हीकुलर 8 पेडेस्ट्रियल ठीक है ये हो गया अब माइनर में टोटल व्हीकल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट 7 हो गया ठीक है देखो थोरो क्रॉसिंग हो गया अब जो फोर्थ थोरो हो गया 7 मेजर माइनर 6 हो गया पेडेस्ट्रियल में 4 मेजर और 6 माइनर total conflict 6 plus 8 हो गया पैसिव control traffic laws and people follow traffic laws no exclusive control is required traffic sign and road marking used to complement the control drivers are guided to avoid conflicts signalization and routine of the road users are forced to follow the paths suggested by the traffic controllers traffic control the various aids and devices used to control regulate guide traffic are called traffic control devices most कॉमन ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल ट्रैफिक साइन सिग्नल आइलैंड और रोड मार्किंग ठीक है अब साइन होता है रेगुलेटेड डेंजर वार्निंग साइन इन्फॉर्मेशन साइन ठीक है अब रेगुलेटेड साइन जाता है दो होते हैं प्रोहिबिटेड साइन सर्कुलर में 0.6 डायमीटर फॉर स्टैंडर्ड साइज 0.4 डायमीटर रेडिएशन दिस साइंस हैव रेड में बैकग्राउंड कलर व्हाइट है फॉर स्पीड कंट्रोल का ब्लू फॉर डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल सिंबल्स आर ब्लैक इन कलर फॉर प्रोहिबिटेड साइन एंड व्हाइट इन कलर फॉर डायरेक्शन कंट्रोल traffic and regulated sign there are two types mandatory sign stop sign octagon with a white border red black background carries message stop give way used intersection where stop is not necessary red border white background downward pointing equilateral triangle ये हो गया ठीक है देखो danger मतलब there is used when it is necessary to warn traffic of existing hazardous condition or hazardous equilateral triangle pointing upward red border white background ठीक है traffic information है information to the driver about the facilities and route and they are written black letter on yellow background they are color coded as white letters with green background ठीक है that is and version information the road marking the essential purpose of road marking is to guide and control traffic on highway they supplement these functions of they are very important to ensure the safe function of various types of road marking like longitudinal marking transport marking object marking carriage center line traffic line not overtaking zone marking pavement is line carriage with width reduction transition marking obstruction approach marking stop line pedestrian crossing cyclist crossing route direction etc word message marking and approach to intersect parking space limit or bus limit object marking from 3 होता है object with carriage wise within car marking for utility car marking for parking station object address into the carriage way median marking signal marking place along the diagonal for the purpose of indication हो के लिए ठीक है after the line of either broken solid doubles or broken line permissible in character and allow crossing use traffic if traffic situation permit solid lines as determined nature character do not allow crossing except for entry or exit from the solid road वो हो गया permission are provided for separating traffic flow same direction predominant color used in white yellow color is used to separate the traffic flow in object opposite direction and also to separate the pavement edges ठीक है double solid line indicate करता है stability and restriction and should be crossed except in case of emergency. There should be a combination of solid and broken lines. In such a case, a solid line may be crossed with restriction if the broken line of the combination is nearest to the direction travel vehicle from the origin and not to be to cross. Center line separate करता है opposing streams of traffic का facilitate करता है movement को. Usually, no center line provided for road having width less than 5 meter and for roads having more than 4 lanes with the center further. The center line may be marked with single broken line, single solid line, double broken line, or double solid depending upon the road and traffic requirement. A center line marking provided to demarcate center of the carriageway and to separate traffic in opposite direction. Center line for two on road with less than 4 lanes or those road having 4 lanes and on which parking is permitted. Parking permitted, thus reducing the operation width. The center line shall consist of single broken line 150 mm wide of 3 meter long segment is 4.5 meter gap. On curve and approaches to intersect, the gap shall be 3 meter. Color of the center line yellow होगा, ठीक है. Center line for 4 lane undivided with at least 2 traffic lanes in each direction. The center line marking shall consist of a single solid continuous line of 150 mm width wide with lining mark of 1.5 meter fragment and 3 meter gap as shown in figure. This gap shall serve and approach to shall be 1.5 meter long. Color of the center line yellow होगा, ठीक. अब ये क्या है, बाइसिकल मार्किंग, स्टॉप लाइन, रूट एक्शन, ये हो जाएगा एरो, पासिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, चेवरॉन मार्किंग, traffic control and regulation. An land is a defined area between traffic lines for control of vehicle movement within an intersection area, median or an outer separation constitute an traffic island are classified as divisional island, signaling island, pedestrian lighting and rotary. Divisional islands are designed to divide opposing or same direction traffic in usually through movement. Signalizing islands, these are designed to control and direct traffic movement usually turning. Pedestrian loading island, the pedestrian are provided to serve as safety zones for the aid and protection of person on foot. Rotary are about are special form for aggregate intersection laid out for the movement of traffic in one direction around the central traffic island. Rotary and the traffic operation at rotary are free diverging. It is a traffic operation where the vehicle moving in one direction is separated into different directions. Merging opposite of diverging, merging in refer to the diverging joining weaving मतलब क्या combined movement of both merging and diverging movement in the same direction. Rotary race में guideline for selection footage. The table when the traffic entering from all the 4 approaches are relatively equal. A total volume of about 3,000 vehicles per hour can be considered as the upper limit case, and the volume of 5,000 vehicles per hour is the lower limit. A rotary is also very beneficial when the proportion of right turning vehicle is traffic is more than 30%. A rotary is suitable when there are more than 4 episodes or if there is no separate lane available for 4 lanes. अब डिजाइन स्पीड देखो, the normal practice is to keep the design of 32 km for urban rural area, मतलब urban के लिए 30 और उसके लिए 40. अब देख लो एग्जिटेड स्पीड ट्रेन के कैसे भी सब देख लो स्पीड रेडियस the entry radius of about 20 minutes area for run 1.5 to 2 times the entry radius. अब देखो the radius of the ए बकरी इधर आओ, आधे घंटे में बाहर देंगे, तैयार हो लो. Which is about 1.3 meter diameter of width. I suggest to lane road of 7 meter. Width should be kept as 7 meter for urban road and 6.5 for rural road. A 3-lane road of 12.5 is to be reduced to 7.5 for urban. Automatically, the saving length is the direction between the channel island. Width of आधे घंटे में जाएंगे बाहर, तैयार हो लो. हाँ, वो कंबल लेना है और देखेंगे तकिया के मिले तो वो भी ले लेंगे. एक बगल में चलो देख के आते हैं कितना क्या है, देखने में क्या जा रहा है. उस पर कलेक्शन देख लेंगे उसका. Width for body even you can ladder the one greater than 10 inches of speed where the normal 4 times of weaving width. Traffic controller regulation देख लो. Capacity 280 W 1 plus E by W 1 minus P by 3 1 plus W by 3 E1 plus E2 by 2 और E plus 3.5 P बड़ी हो गया. Capacity देखो 280 with weaving width 6 से 8 18 मीटर रेडियो. Average width of the carriage band internal कितना 0.5 से. The ratio of weaving width to weaving length of the turnabout कितना 0.12 से 0.4. Proportion of weaving traffic to non weaving traffic in the road area 0.4 to 1. weaving length कहता 18 से 90. उसमें कुछ खास नहीं है. Signal pair का signal one of the cycle मतलब cycle is one complete rotation throughout order. Length is the time in second and takes the signal to complete one. It determines the time interval between the next starting of two grade. उसी वजह interval मतलब क्या हुआ, represent two stages है. Change interval clearance interval. Interval represents change from one stage to another. That to change interval मतलब yellow time clearance amber it is time interval between green and red types of दो पर one traffic about upcoming shaded signal. It gives time for traffic which has entered the intersection to clear it before the green time for next phase. अब interval देखो represent करते हैं from one to clearance interval, also known as all red interval. It is added after each element terminal triggers a period during all phases. Before clearing vehicle from test, all red interval is optional and generally not provided for Sunda. For plus on all red interval taken the part of the framework. अब green cycle का है green mode particle में और set mode journal with you. Actual duration the green light of a traffic signal is turned on. Red में कहता है indicating the sort of particular movement or state of movement denoted by RI. It is actual duration the red light of a traffic signal is turned on. Phase मतलब कहता है green interval plus the change and clearance interval that follows it. Thus, during green interval, non-conflicting movements are assigned into each phase. It allows the set of movements to flow and safely halt the movement before the phase of the traffic signal. They are automatic traffic control which can alternatively direct the traffic to stop and proceed at intersection during red and green light. वो हो गया ठीक है. ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल सिग्नल पेडेस्ट्रियल सिम्पल मतलब given out so the same indication at the same time as a division of alternate मतलब so groups will show opposite action in opposite direction. This system also provides single control and bus reversing the operating mode system. सिंगल सिंपल प्रोग्रेशन सिस्टम है. दोनों में फ्लेक्सिबल मतलब ये हो गया डिवाइडेड हो गया ठीक है. तो इसमें जीए प्लस जीबी हो गया ठीक है. ग्रीन टाइम पर प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द बेस ऑफ व्हीकल अकोमोडेशन इन साइकिल में. एम्बर टाइम क्या होता है मतलब अब एम्बर टाइम टीआर प्लस बी प्लाई ए एम्बर एसटी प्लस डब्ल्यू प्लस बी हो गया. अब डिजाइन पर ट्रायल मेथड अप्रोक्सीमेट वेस्टर विजन ट्रायल मेथड मतलब व्हीकल अकोमोडेट ऑन रेट 15 मिनट्स व्हीकल अकोमोडेट ऑन 15 मिनट्स एक्सई हो गया जीबी हो गया जीबी हो गया. Approximate number completed in 1 hour. Completed in 1 hour per minute. GPS 7 seconds plus W by 12 1.2. Green time 7 seconds plus W by T. Approximate RA is equal to GPA. Audio with GPP. A equal to RP minus RA by 20 seconds. G minus RA minus 0. दोनों का रेशियो ले लेंगे. वेबस्टर NA हो गया 1 hour में और NP हो गया 1 सिचुएशन मतलब A per hour में सिचुएशन में Y equal to NA पर और Y equal to 1.5L plus 5 1 minus Y. अब L is equal to क्या 2N plus R हो जाएगा ठीक है. अब वाई ए प्लस सी सी नॉट माइनस एल फॉरवर्ड तो ये हो रहा है. चलो ये हो रहा है ठीक. आज में डिजाइन स्टैंड बाय यूजिंग अप्रोक्सीमेट स्केल कैलकुलेटर टाइम इक्वल टू 18 कैलकुलेटर साइकिल ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेट में ट्राई कर x इक्वल टू n टू 16 टी 67 टाइम इज बेस्ट है ठीक है.